Hello everyone, I'm your host and host Reshma Maekar and I welcome you all to the house's third episode of Builders Review. Here we will be reviewing India's top leading developer so that you can make your informed decision whether you want to buy your dream house in their project or not. In today's episode, that means in our third episode, we will be reviewing Kolte Patil Developers. This review has been divided into 5 segments: builders, history and overviews, present cities and countries, completed projects, awards and recognition, last but not the least, few facts about Kolte Patil Developers. So let's start with the Kolte Patil Developers Limited history and review. The journey of Kolte Patil Developers started with Mr Aniruddha Patil, the visionary founder of this group, who set up his first real estate business in Jalgaon, Maharashtra in 1970. The first project in Jalgaon was to offer plotting development, row houses and bungalows. Mr Aniruddha Patil has 2 sons, Mr Rajesh Patil, who is the current chairman and managing director of the company, Mr Naresh Patil, who now holds the vice chairman position. Both son was keen in real estate right from start, and Mr Naresh Patil, after completing his graduation, believed in Pune in 1989, and Kolte Patil Developer expanded themselves in Pune. Then in 1991, Mr Kolte, who is the brother-in-law of Mr Rajesh and Naresh Patil, joined the company as executive director, and thereafter Kolte Patil Developers Limited was incorporated on November 25, 1991 as a private limited company by Rajesh Patil and Mr Kolte. Then on April 1, 1995, the company was subsequently converted into a public limited company under the name Kolte Patil Developers Limited, and since then it is listed in both the National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange with name Kolte Patil. So now let's discuss about Kolte Patil Developers' presence. Kolte Patil Developers has printed their names in 3 cities such as Mumbai, Pune and Bengaluru. So now let's talk about Kolte Patil Developers' completed project. So basically, Kolte Patil Developers has been into 3 segments: commercial, residential and retail. Kolte Patil so far has completed 50 plus projects. Some of them are Kolte Patil 3rd Avenue, Hinjewadi, Kolte Patil Mirabils, Horamau Road, Bengaluru, Kolte Patil Jai Vijay Vileparle, Mumbai, Kolte Patil Green Olive, Hinjewadi, Pune, Kolte Patil Raga Hinur Road, Bengaluru, Kolte Patil Little Earth, Kivale, Pune, and the list goes on. So now let's talk about awards and recognition. Kolte Patil has been received 35 plus awards, and some of our construction world stalwarts of the West, Pune, September 2022. Asia Pacific Property Awards winner Residential Property India for 24K Stargaze project in 2022-2023, Residential High Rise Architecture India in 2021 for 24K Opula project, Integrated Township of the Year 2021 for IVY Estate project. Top township projects about 350 acres by Times Real Estate Icon West 2020 and many more. So now let's discuss about few facts about Kolte Patil Developers. Kolte Patil has developed and constructed over 50 projects including residential complexes, commercial complexes and IT parks covering a sellable area of 20 million square feet across Pune, Mumbai and Bengaluru. Kolte Patil Developers has over 2 crore square feet of construction under development. The company's long-term bank debt and non-convertible debentures have been rated stable by CRISIL, the highest rating accorded by CRISIL to any publicly listed residential real estate player in India. Kolte Patil has separated brand for uber luxury constructions named as 24K. Kolte Patil all luxury projects comes under 24K brand like Kolte Patil 24K Alutra project in Baner, Kolte Patil 24K Manor project in Pimpli, Nilak, Kolte Patil 24K Espada project in Hinjewadi and few other. Kolte Patil is developing one of the largest township in India named as Kolte Patil Life Republic, which is a 400 acres of green township, highly secured gated community with 1500 plus happy families. In this township, Kolte Patil has successfully delivered over 1.2 lakh square feet of area which is consists of 14 plus iconic residential and commercial projects. So everyone, this was the review of Kolte Patil Developers. I hope you like this segment. अगर पसंद आया होगा तो make sure comment में हमें बता दीजिएगा, और साथ ही में अगर आपको कोई और डेवलपर के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए तो आप हमें कमेंट करके बता दीजिएगा, हम आपके लिए उस डेवलपर की इंफॉर्मेशन आप तक जरूर लेकर आएंगे. At last, if you want to know more about developers review, teaser, sample flat or any other information about real estate, what you guys can do, make sure to like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel.